Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week we made massive profit from the buy gold. You can join with my Telegram, link is below. For gold trading community is there, and join the profit for get the profit for gold trading. So I'm in a weekly chart gold. This is the last weekly candle. You can see this the weekly chart. This is last weekly candle. That's the green candle. Buyers are in under control gold. So gold price pushed to the upside. Still demand safe haven asset. So last week $130 gold price increased to the upside. So last Friday in price is the 3,432. So next target is the 3,500. So what is the reason for gold demand? Main reason is the geopolitical uncertainty. So you remember gold is the safe haven asset. I am always telling this. So this is the FX Street website mentioned gold search past 3,400 Israel Iran war risks. So there's the continuing geopolitical risks. Iran Israel war is there continuing, and Ukraine Russia war is continuing, and more uncertainties in the global military wars. That is the reason for gold push to the upside. Remember, gold is the safe haven asset. So also last week US inflation report was released. That's the soft inflation report that has to help to demand gold push to the upside. So last week inflation report, so US inflation report, CPI yearly report, actual report is the 2.4%, 2.3% to 2.4%, but Fed forecast to 2.5%, but not increased to 2.5%. Actual report CPI yearly inflation report is the was the 2.3%, 2.4% is the actual report. That's the US inflation. Soft US inflation boosts the safe haven demand. So soft inflation in USA, that will help to gold push to the upside last week also. So that is the reasons for gold demand last week, fundamental reasons. So let's see the what will happen on the next week gold price. So I am in the weekly chart. So I am going to now next week interesting economic event is the next week Wednesday Federal Reserve American Central Banks funds rate is there next week Wednesday. So next week Wednesday FOMC meeting, that's the big event for the US dollar. The 4.5 is the current rate, and American Central Bank Federal Reserve forecast to post the rate on 4.5%. So this is the Fed Watch Tool website. You can see the June FOMC meeting 99% forecast to post the rate on next FOMC meeting. So 99% already sentiment to the market in post the rate. So Fed post the rate on 4.5%. That will not help to dollar demand because of 99%, almost 100% price into the market this. So I am not thinking dollar demand in FOMC meeting first conference important. So you should touch with the Powell's press conference what is he saying in hawkish or dovish tone. So that is the next week important economic events. You should touch with the FOMC meeting next Wednesday. So 3,500 is the psychological target next week. Geopolitical risks continuing next week. 3,500 is a easy target for gold. So and that is I am thinking you should touch with the geopolitical uncertainty, Iran Israel war, what is the going on next week also going on. 3,500 is the easy target for gold next week. So this is the daily chart gold. So you can see this levels. So technically this is the resistance level. This is the 3440 level. Price is in this resistance. Daily resistance is important level. 3500 is the next resistance level. So before continuation to the upside, that's the gold price. Gold price can be get the discount and collect the liquidity from the downside. That can be happen. So geopolitical uncertainty continuing. If the directly gold price going to the push to the upside, so next week 3500. So this can be happen next week. So you should touch with the geopolitical war uncertainty is the main things for next week. I am hoping if the Iran-Israel war continuing heavy, that's the directly gold price push to the 3500, and other side can be dropped, collect the discount from price from and again push to the upside. So this level 3380-90 level can be discount price to drop to the below side and collect liquidity and again can be pushed to the upside. So you can see the below level. So I'm going to the, this is the daily chart technically picture. So I'm going to the 4-hour chart. So what is the 4-hour chart indicates? This is the 4-hour chart. I am seeing below resistance level. That's the interesting levels is the, this is the level. So this level 3390-80 is this level. So this zone, interesting zone for next week gold trading, I am thinking. So you can see the left side resistance. Left side resistance can be become in the here right side support. So left side resistance can be support in right side in here. So simple technical theory with the 4-hour chart technically set up. So you should touch with this level next week. This level important level. I am hoping this 3390-80 level, this resistance, you can see this resistance can be become in right side support for the gold to push to the upside also next week. If fail this setup, if not continue it to the upside, that can be your fail this support level. That is your sell opportunity to below level gold next week. So gold is the safe haven asset. I am always telling in this, I am my videos. If you are trading golds, US dollar is the other side. Safe haven is the main important things. So this level failed to the continue to the upside. So below is the next support level 3300. So that is the setup for next week. So you can join with my Telegram community, and there's always gold trading updates with the fundamental and technical setup. So you can join with and make good profit from the gold trading. So thank you very much.